Hi, welcome to making a cup in SketchUp. We're going to first remove the person in the center by selecting and hitting the delete key. Set your tools like mine by going to View, Toolbars, and making sure just the large set has been chosen, then close. Now we're going to the Circle tool. Select the circle. We'll start right at the origin of the X, Y, and Z axis, and we'll draw it out just a little bit. That looks pretty good. We'll use the push-pull tool and we'll come up. And then we're going to scale this area just a little bit. So we'll use the scaling tool. Select this. Now we're going to pull out just a little bit on each side of this so that we can see that it looks like it's just about right. Maybe a little bit more on that side. That looks better. Now we're going to go to our offset tool. We're going to go to the edge, pull it out just a little bit, and then use the push-pull tool to pull up just that part. We're going to come up just a little ways, and now we're going to close this in so we can make a couple adjustments. To close it in, we'll use the pencil tool and go from one side to the other, and you can see that closes it in. Now at this point we're going to do a little bit of erasing. We'll erase the rim and we'll erase the center line. There we go. Now we're ready to take and go up just a little bit more. But before we do, we're going to scale this again. So come to our scaling tool. Make sure that we have it selected. We're going to pull out on this side a little bit. Pull out on that side a little bit. Come on, stay with me. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Now, we want to put one more rim on, so we're going to use our push-pull tool. No, it's actually the offset. We're going to pull out just a little bit. And now we're going to zoom in so you can see what's going on. I want to pull up two things. I want to pull up the center. Then I want to pull up this edge just a little bit more. See, that's going to be the rim on our cup. Now from there, we're going to put a small circle right over. I'll do it right here. That'll work. And I'm going to pull this up. This is going to be our straw. So we're going to come over, pull it up, and we really don't want the straw to be solid, so we're going to zoom in on this a little bit. Use our offset tool. This time we're going to move to the inside. There we go. I'll zoom down a little bit, and you can see that we're going to push down the center. I'll select it with the tool if it doesn't want to select, and then I will push it down with the push-pull tool, and as I push it down, there it goes. Now I will zoom out, and you can see that we have a cup. But we're not finished yet. Let's go ahead and paint this cup. So we're going to start with the paintbrush. We'll use the translucent sky reflection. That's under glass and mirrors. And we'll do the bottom. This next part won't be ribbed, so we'll use this one. And now let's take care of the upper portion. We'll go to colors. In this case, you can make the lid whatever color you want. I'll just go with a nice blue for the top and the side. And then for the other little pieces that are on there, I'll change and go to a little bit different color blue. Why? Because I like to. You could use the same blue if you had to. And there's one more. If I come up like this, I can see that I had that missing. Now let's go with the straw. I'll make the straw. I like green, but I'll go with a red one this time. And there we have it. A nice drink cup. As you can see, it looks great. Thank you.